Hello and welcome to the Hutchinson Art Center's virtual art camp. My name is Kara Vaughn, and before we begin, myself and the Hutchinson Art Center want to thank the Hutchinson Community Foundation and the United Way of Reno County's Rally Reno Nonprofit Response Fund for financially supporting this project. Just by looking at the ingredients and supplies that I have, can you guess what we're going to make today? And if you ignore the title, could you guess what we're going to make today? We're gonna make some slime. Now, anytime I have ever made slime, it always kind of failed. But now, since kids are so crazy about slime, I'm hoping I've learned a lot from some of you on how to make some good slime. So, first, what you're gonna need is some saline solution. This is gonna be a fluffy slime. It requires saline solution, some glue, some baking soda. I got some decorative pieces to add to it, so I have these, they're like cacti and llama alpaca things. They're really cute. And I have some of this like holographic star pieces that I wanted to add. I thought they were super pretty. And then I also got some assorted food color to make it all pretty and colorful. And then shaving foam. You're gonna want a mixing bowl. I just grabbed a little storage container bowl and a spoon. I'm also using this spoon to measure some stuff because we only need a tablespoon of a few things, and then some measuring cups. Now I'm following a recipe. It's from 30handmadedays.com, and they have a fluffy slime recipe that I am going to follow and share with you today. The first instruction is to add half a cup of glue into a bowl. So here's my half cup. And I'm going to measure exactly half a cup of glue. And then I'm going to try my very best to get it all in here. Now we need to add color. It says add color, just a few drops for light color and more for a darker color. So I think I want it to be kind of purpley because purple is my favorite color. And to do that, we're gonna have to mix red and blue. So I think I'm just gonna start with 2 drops of each and see how that looks. So it's turning kind of gray purple. Maybe I'll just add more blue. What if I added green to it? I like that. That looks better. I'm gonna add a few more drops of green. Now it says add approximately 3/4 of a cup of shaving cream into the bowl. So I have 1/4 of a cup. I don't have 3/4, but in order to get the most accurate measurement, I'm gonna do this 3 times. It looks like a cupcake. Okay, so I'm just gonna count that as like maybe 2. My goals of being accurate have failed me. And then it says add in 1/4 of a tablespoon of baking soda. I really don't know how much that would be. I just found a clump and mushed it in there. And if I need more, I can add more. And then it says 1 tablespoon of the saline solution. Now, saline solution is basically just contact solution. And then mix thoroughly and knead the mixture. So I'm first gonna mix it as much as I can. Ooh, it's starting to work. Wow. Before I get too crazy with it, I do want to go ahead and start adding my cute little pieces. So this is like super fluffy slime. I like it. Anytime I've ever made slime, it was always with borax, and so it turned out really funny. I'm just gonna add like a pinch of these stars, maybe a few pinches. Yeah. And these are some bigger pieces. I don't really want to add too many of these ones, just because I don't want it to be like not comfortable whenever I'm like mushing like slime around. It also says, and I don't have this, so I didn't put any in there, but it says if you use a small amount of baby oil, the slime will be less sticky. So I'm gonna try and get as much of this stuff as I can so I can make sure that I'm using all of it. This is fun. This is so much fun. I definitely could add more like stars and stuff.
Okay, it's starting to be less sticky the more that I play with it and knead it.
I like this a lot. No wonder kids love it so much. It's so soft and like squishy. Okay, I'm definitely adding more stars. It needs more stars. It needs all the pretties, and I totally just made a mess with it. That's okay. It's fluffy slime. It'll pick it right up. Look at that. Look, I could be like those little YouTube videos. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Hold on. Some ASMR for you. I wanted to do the little flarpy noise where it goes. My stars are really poorly dispersed. I want all the stars. I want it to be like glowing. Okay, it needs
More stars.
We're just gonna completely dump the thing on stars. That's a ton of stars. I'm not mad. Oh, did you hear that crunch? Whenever I mushed them all together. That was pretty cool. Okay, this is looking better. Maybe. They're all just gonna get hidden inside the middle again. Maybe if I use like clear slime, that'd be maybe a little bit cooler. Yeah, this was super fun. I really like this, and it was really inexpensive, honestly. The Saline Solution was honestly the only thing that I had to go out of my way for, just because I don't have contacts. I don't wear contacts. And so that was kind of something that I had to go get. If any of you little slime experts out there have any tips for on making this a pretty color, please let me know, because I mean, you saw that I tried. I wanted it to be purple, but I think just because of the pigment of the red, me knowing my color knowledge stuffs, the red I think is too, it needs to be more magenta, like a pink. It has to have more of a pink tone to it, not just like this dark red color. Anyways, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.